Hi there, this week we are painting and drawing, so we're going to be adding something further to a study page of the beautiful lords and ladies, and we're going to add in the beautiful stem with all the berries on. And we're going to start off with watercolour and build up the berries with a lovely soft highlight, and then right at the end we're going to use some coloured pencil. The coloured pencil is entirely optional. I do show you how to finish it off in watercolour as well, so don't feel like you have to be pressured into buying the coloured pencils, but if you have got the set from a previous coloured pencil tutorial, then it's a great chance to use them again. I've loved painting this plant and I really hope that you will too. It's got everything going for it, style and colour.